Hi everyone! So today on Hunyah Travels, I am going to be making jalapeno popper wontons and spring roll. So a wonton is a Japanese and Chinese kind of samosa, and the jalapeno popper wonton is my own recipe. So let's get started. For this recipe, you need cheese and jalapeno slices and wonton wrappers and water. That's all. Jalapeno wonton wrapper, you first put in the cheese and the jalapeno slices into the wonton wrapper. So one jalapeno slice for each of the wontons. Just a little bit of the cheese and the wontons. And then you take the water and put it on the edges. And then wrap this. So you could wrap this in different ways. So I'm doing it the triangular way for this one. This goes on the side. Then I'm going to do a different shape, and that is again taking a wonton wrapper, one jalapeno slice in each with a little bit of cheese, and putting it in the middle, and then wrapping it on the sides, putting in the water on the sides, and then wrapping it. So this will be a lotus shape, because there's different kind of shapes you can come up with when you're making wontons. So this is like one of the traditional Chinese shapes, wonton shapes. So this goes on the side. Now this is the third shape for the wonton whopper, and this will be the cabbage shape. So I have a little bit of one slice of jalapeno, a little bit of cheese. So I'm going to take the water, I'm going to make it into a cabbage shape. So a cabbage shape is pretty much that you take all the folds of the wonton wrapper and then you make it into something like this. Just a little bit more water. And becomes something like this. This is the cabbage wonton. This is the spring roll one, the jalapeno popper spring roll. So I put 2 jalapeno slices and a lot of cheese. So I take some water, put it on the side, put it on all 4 sides. Put lots of water. And I now fold this. So first layer is like this. Fold it on both sides and put more water on this in the middle and a bit on the side and fold it again. Fold it in the middle and then the last fold. And now fold on the sides. So that is like this. And that is done. The chain gold wonton, so I just put in the jalapeno slice and the cheese and put water around it, and I'm going to fold it into a triangle. Then I'm going to put water on the 2 sides. I'm going to fold this. And this is the chain gold wonton. So this goes up. Put it on a little bit on high heat so it could cook throughout on the back and forth, and keep flipping the wontons. And then put it back on low heat again. Take out the wonton once they become golden brown and put them into the plate. Then put in the last wonton and you're ready. So this one is out. This is the second last. And now the last wonton. And keep this frying until it turns into golden brown, which will just happen in a few minutes. Once you see golden lining at the back of the wonton, you know it's ready to turn and it'll become golden brown. So it's almost ready. Now I'm just going to take out the last wonton as it is pretty much ready. It looks ready. Both of the sides are golden brown and it looks good. So this is ready to be taken off and it goes into the plate. Now take a paper towel to remove excess oils from the wonton, which just takes about a minute to do. And now take out the excess oil. Put some parsley flakes, which you can get from any grocery store, which is this. Put it on the jalapeno popper wonton as it is ready. And keep flipping the wontons until it gets all the way on all. And then this is it. And this is jalapeno popper wonton. So this is a recipe recap of jalapeno popper wonton. It is you shred cheese and you put in jalapeno slices, and then you put in you take water and you wrap it up, the wonton wrapper with the filling of cheese and jalapeno, and you fry it for 2 to 4 minutes. Each jalapeno wonton. And then you have the jalapeno popper spring roll and jalapeno popper wonton. So thank you. This is how you make jalapeno popper wonton. It's very easy. So get this recipe on Hunyah Travels blog and read Hunyah Travels and watch Hunyah Travels. So thank you.